Welcome to the year 2025. To celebrate, we are going to set off alarms. It might get loud. I am going to start off with the emergency light and exit sign. There it is. Alright, you might want to turn down your volume. Here we go. 2025 New Year. There we go. That was the 2025 New Year fire alarm sounding. I know I used a heat detector and not a fire alarm horn strobe, but it is the best we could do. Besides, I just started collecting fire alarms. Hopefully next year's fire alarm sounding will be better. Before the video ends, I just want to say I know I was going to make a video of how to wire a fire alarm pull station to a fire alarm, but I figured I'd wait until I get a horn strobe. And also, my first fire alarm video went amazingly well. I got over 700 views on that video. And I also got 24 subscribers. Thank you to anyone who ever watched that video. Because that was probably the best video I made yet. And also, subscribe to SER Safety. He has pretty cool content on his channel. I also recommend subscribing to Fire Alarm Dude 5967. He also has pretty cool content on his channel. Hope you enjoyed this video, stay safe, and have a great year everyone.